So here we are asked to find a function in the form of x minus a times gx plus, and they give you a value of a, so a is minus 1. So if a is minus 1, then that would mean that f of x equals x plus 1, because remember there's minus a here. So if a is minus 1, then x minus minus 1 will be this bracket here, which makes it into a plus, multiplied by g of x plus some constant. F of x also equals this, so if I divide this by x plus 1, I will end up with hopefully g of x and possibly a constant. Let's see. 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6, which is my function, divided by x plus 1. Okay, x, let's do this quickly. X into 2x cubed is 2x squared. 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared. Let's take those away. 3x squared, take away 2x squared is 1x squared. X into x squared is x. X times x obviously is x squared. X times 1 is plus x. Let's take that away. 2x take away x makes x. X into x goes plus 1. X times 1 is x. 1 times 1 is plus 1. And take that away. 6 take away 1 is 5. So that's my remainder. So f of x equals x plus 1. G of x, which is a quadratic as it says, which is this. So multiplied by 2x squared plus x plus 1 and plus 5, my remainder. And that is my answer.